Hey everyone, I'm making this video for the number 2 on our classwork from the quadratic formula. I didn't get a chance to go over it in class, so here's a quick video on it. Here's the problem, 8n squared minus 4n. Sorry for the background noise. If you hear anything going on, those are my kids. So here, we want to make our equation equal to 0. So the first thing we want to do is subtract this 18 to both sides. Okay, once your equation equals 0, just like we went over in class, you want to label A is the first number, B is the second number, and C is the last number. Remember, when you get your test tomorrow, first thing you want to do is write the formula down. And you do have to memorize it, so you can't write it down from looking at a paper. It has to be in your brain. So here it is, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to plug in. Now this problem is tricky because notice the b is negative, so when we replace it into the b in the formula, it is going to turn positive. So it's going to be negative 4 plus minus square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times 8 times negative 18 all over 2 times 8. Now, like I went over a few times in class, it is a good idea to take this, what I just circled in blue, and plug it into your calculator all at once. So I'm actually going to do that with the calculator I have in front of me. Should have done this before starting the video. So I'm going to plug in, again, what I circled in blue. So negative 4 squared minus 4 times 8 times negative 18. And when I plug it all in, it gives me 592. So altogether, this is going to be positive 4 plus or minus square root of 592 over 16. Now, check to see if square root of 592 is doable. All right, square root of 592 is not doable. It's not a perfect square. So instead, find numbers that can break down 592. So 592, let's maybe divide that by 2, and I'm going to get, 296. So 592 would be 296 times 2. But 296 can definitely break down more, so let me do that. That's 148 times 2, and I'm going to bring this 2 down. 148 can also break down. That would be 74 times 2. And I would bring this 2 down and this 2 down. 74 can break down further to 37 times 2. And then I would have to make sure to bring this 2 down, this 2 down, and this 2 down. So this problem's a little complicated because I have 2 pairs. So there's going to be 2 2's that are going to come out of the house. Also notice there is no I in this problem because the number is not negative. Okay. No, it's not. Okay, good. Sorry, I was checking my work. All right, so now this 2 is going to come out. This 2 is going to come out. So when they come out, they're going to multiply. So altogether, this is going to be 4 plus or minus 4. And what stays inside? 37 over 16. Lastly, see if you could reduce your fraction. I can't actually add and subtract anything because there's still a square root. But I can divide each of these numbers by 4. So divide them each by 4, and your final answer will be 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 37. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I messed that up. 4 divided by 4 is not 2. This is me trying to rush to finish this problem. See, I'm a math teacher. I make mistakes too. So these are actually 1s because 4 divided by 4 is 1. The other 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then in the denominator, we will have a 4. because 16 divided by 4 is 4. All right, so this will be your final answer. Hopefully that helped you with this last problem.